Ever feel like running an online business is like juggling a million things at once? You've got to build a website, manage emails, create landing pages, sell your products, and somehow find time for marketing. It's a lot, right? Let's be real. There's no shortage of software out there promising to make your life easier. They all claim to be the ultimate all-in-one solution, but most of them, let's just say they fall short. But what if I told you there's a solution that can ease this overwhelming burden? That's where System.io comes in. When a friend mentioned System.io to me, I was skeptical. With so many software platforms out there making big promises but falling short, a free tool claiming to have everything you need to run an online business sounded almost too good to be true. Naturally, I had to put it to the test and see for myself. Does it really live up to the hype? Before we dive in, if you are curious about System.io, I've included an affiliate link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. It's totally free to get started, and you can follow along as I show you what it's all about. In this video, I'm giving you my honest, no-fluff review. We'll break down the free plan, its features, and whether it's actually enough to run a business without spending a dime. Then, we'll look at the paid plans and figure out if upgrading is worth it. Sound good? Let's get started. Features breakdown. First up, the free plan System.io gives you an impressive toolkit right out of the gate. You can build full sales funnels, manage email campaigns, create blogs, design entire website pages, set up digital and physical products, launch courses, and even run your own affiliate program. Oh, and they also handle invoicing. That's a lot for a free plan, but the big question is, does it all actually work? The answer is a resounding yes, and what's more, it's all designed to be user-friendly, so you can navigate the platform with confidence. The Funnel Builder. Their Funnel Builder is super user-friendly. You've got everything laid out on the left-hand side: steps, stats, automation, A/B testing, you name it. Plus, it's got some clever features like setting deadlines for offers and redirecting customers when sales expire. The drag-and-drop editor? Intuitive and straightforward. You'll feel right at home whether you're a pro or a beginner. Email marketing System.io's email marketing tools are top-notch for a free plan. You can set up sequences, schedule emails, add delays, and tag your contact for personalized campaigns. It's clean, simple, and does everything you need without overcomplicating things. Blogging and automation. You can even create a blog directly on System.io. While it's not as advanced as WordPress, it's perfect for businesses that need a functional blog without the hassle. And the automation workflows? Game changer. You can connect your funnels, emails, courses, and more with seamless triggers and actions, like having a personal assistant working behind the scenes. Creating courses is another standout feature. The layout is clean, professional, and easy to navigate. You can add videos, track progress, and even create modules with zero tech headaches. And here's the kicker: System.io doesn't take a cut of your course sales. Unlike other platforms, the profits are all yours. Pricing. Now let's talk pricing. The free plan is generous, but you'll need to upgrade if you need more advanced features like webinars or additional automation. Their paid plans start at just $27 per month, which is incredibly reasonable compared to competitors. This affordability ensures that you can scale your business without breaking the bank, giving you peace of mind about your investment. Final thought: System.io might not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end platforms, but it gets the job done, and does it well. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly solution to grow your business, it's definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can try it for free using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And hey, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tools to level up your online business. Until next time, happy hustling.